Hello, I want to say hello.
The Lagos State government has organized a mobile workshop for teachers in rural and riverine areas in a bid to equip them for better service delivery. The workshop, which is a two-day event, was held at the Multilingual International Resource Center, Maryland. It had as its theme repositioning the use of instructional materials in the 21st century classroom. In the welcome address, the Director, Education Resource Center, Mrs. OMOLAYO AKINLADE, said the theme for the workshop underscored the need for teachers to effectively and efficiently use instructional materials and modern strategies to cascade knowledge in the classrooms for better understanding of the students.
This workshop is aimed at empowering them, all our teachers, especially those in the rural and riverine areas of Lagos State, to give them all that they need to be able to implement the curriculum properly with effective and efficient and appropriate instructional materials.
Mrs. SIDIKAT Smith, who represented the Chairman, Teaching Service Commission TESCOM, said the initiative by the ministry will enable teachers in schools within remote areas upskill themselves through the mobile workshop and be informed of new ways of managing classroom activities.
This is timely and the target audience is very adequate. People from rural areas, because they feel neglected, they feel they are not part of the state, and most of them are not pulling their weight. This is preparing them to be relevant to the 21st century. So if they have it, they will be able to cascade it to their students, and at the end, the state will be better for it. The investments in education is worthwhile.
The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Education, Mrs. ABOSEDE ADELAJA, commends the efforts of the present administration in organizing various training programs for teachers.
The mobile workshop is important because capacity building plays a major role in teaching and learning. And we believe that if we want to deliver quality students, then the teachers must be equipped appropriately. And that's the reason why this workshop is being organized, to help teachers in the preparation of instructional materials.
The second day of the event had participants from not just riverine areas, but also from urban areas.
I want to thank the facilitators and those that made this program to be a success. Because for a long time, the teachers have been looking forward to hold a program like this. By saying it because I'm very grateful, I'm opportune to attend this program and I've learned a lot.
As main drivers of the 21st century, building the capacity of these teachers with the appropriate knowledge and technicality to implement the curriculum will develop and strengthen learners to be global citizens with excellent performance.